Well, it's pretty exciting. I tore into it already. What is it though? I think you're about to find out. What do we got? What's that, Gunner? What is it? Huh? What's that? I don't know. All right, we have something that I mentioned in the last video that everybody says is probably my problem, and since it was cheap, I figured we would just start here. And 1, 2, 3. Who recognizes this? A new DME. Let's try it. All right, so the thing that's cool about this is we can literally check it out and try it, and it's 1 bolt. The other thing that's cool with this is we need a backup just in case it ever does go out. So if this isn't the problem, it's something I can easily put in the box and use again when we need it. Is this gonna do the job? Will these 7 prongs solve world hunger? Let's find out. All right, so down here, we're about to see it's dirty in here. That's all. We just have to pull that guy out and we'll be set. So 3, 2, 1. That is out from here. It is freezing though. I will tell you that right now. It is cold. It is in, and we are gonna see if this works. If you do not have tools, I would suggest going out Black Friday and looking for some, unless you see this video after Black Friday. But a toolkit like this will get a lot of jobs done. Okay, so anytime that we pull anything apart, we get nervous that it's not gonna start. So we've got it back on. Let's see if it starts. A little bit cold, let's see. Honestly, I don't know how this is gonna go. I really, really hope it's as easy as changing that, because if it's not, I've got a lot of other stuff to go through. So let's just hope that works. Okay, so as we're getting started, just keep in mind we are about 36 degrees today, so it's gonna take time for the car to warm up. So I'm not gonna push it right away, we're just gonna kind of limp. I live in a pretty big neighborhood, so there are some nice areas we can just go slow, warm it up, look around, and we'll see what happens. Joe, this had better work. If this works, I'll buy you a drink. The kind that you like too, because I know you don't drink alcohol. So talk to you guys in like 2 seconds. So just getting started, we are purely cold everything. So nothing bad yet, but we got to keep the RPMs low. All right, so temperatures are increasing. We're able to give the car a little bit more. Honestly, so far, so good. We've already driven further than the last time, so maybe it's related. It's also way colder, so I don't know how that changes things. So we're gonna just keep going and see what we get. And it's doing it again. Let's see if we can do it maybe around this corner. Then after we get through here. And it's like running into a freaking pile of bricks too. There it is, see? See, gas. Sorry, Joe. I don't owe you anything. It's still doing it. Okay, so there we are. There we are. I can't win. I don't know. I can't win. So that was easy. That was a cheap one. Now we're gonna have to really dig in and figure out what the heck's going on. I don't know. This is kind of the scary part. Intersections. When you shut down in the middle of an intersection, it sucks. So you have no momentum, you're stopped. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But who knows? It does look like we're doing better in a sense. Like we're moving. You may remember this road from last time. So we are moving. Not sure what's going on. We're gonna have to figure it out because So that didn't fix it. I'm not sure what's gonna fix it, but we're eliminating things and we're just updating things as we go, so it's not a big deal. The good news is we made it home. I didn't break down once. So it cut and it was doing that, but it didn't break down. So for me, that's one for me. I win one. So Joe, you get half a drink. But yeah, it didn't break down. It did cut out. It did better. It did better. So I don't know. All right, so because that did not work, we are ordering a few other parts to try and get this thing going. Still stuff that I can work on, and yeah, hopefully this will do the trick. So we're gonna do the O2 sensor. We are going to do spark plugs, wires, and just to get the doubt out of my mind, I think we'll do a fuel filter as well. So it's kind of just maintenance is what I'm trying to do here. And so everything's kind of up for renewal anyway. I figured that this would all be good stuff to pull and work through. Thought I'd do that. I am also doing the Nology hot wires because they're supposed to be the best. If I'm going to be in there anyway, I may as well pull them. They're a little bit more expensive, but they're not like the end of the world. Total right now, these issues that I'm having are going to set the project back maybe right around 500 to 1,000. So kind of sucks, but if the car is running fine after this, then I'll be happy. So it's a little bit of a disappointment that this is going on still, but we're going to give the Nology hot wires a shot. They're supposed to just be... It's not that they're for higher performance or that they improve anything. It's that they are more reliable, I guess. So you're not getting any extra spark or extra type of power through them. It's just more consistent and just a more reliable wire. So we're doing that. Plugs. We're doing an O2 sensor. And a fuel filter. So I'll go through that stuff. If at the end of all of that we are still stuck, then I have a little secret in my back pocket, and we'll see. But let's wait and see. That'll be a different video. I want to try this first. This stuff should be here next week. Maybe with the holiday, maybe not. I don't know. So wish me luck. Wish me luck. We got this.